population of medallion layers. You need to use a medallion layers to meet the technical requirements. It has three different layers like gold, brown, silver, and gold, and you need a sequential load as well as you need a failure triggers in case of the fail any pipelines. So what should you do? So that is our question. Now let's see the options. So these are the four options, but before we go into options, let's do a further analysis or explanation. So you can see that you have technical requirements where you have three different layers, which is medallion architecture, and you loading the data, processing the data through a sequential. So you first load your data in bronze layer, then you do in silver layer, and then you do in gold layer. And if there is any failure, you need to set up a triggers alerts. So it's very straightforward question. So in this situation, you can use a parent pipeline or master pipeline, which can orchestrate individual or dependent pipelines, which can handle the errors and alerts and which can run in sequential. So basically that is the solution. So now let's see the options analysis. So first option, which is a schedule a data pipeline that calls the other data pipeline. That might be a correct answer because you can schedule a main pipeline and then main pipeline or core pipeline can call the child pipelines for further stuff like loading into different layers in sequential, setting up the alerts and those kind of the things. Second option is notebooks. If you schedule a notebooks, it cannot, it cannot fit the requirements in perfect way. So we cannot use notebooks. We use notebook for transformation, mainly big data transformation, not for orchestration, multiple phases or alert settings or monitoring stuff like that. Scheduling Apache, again, that also not options because you cannot use that for orchestration purpose, specifically medallion architectures. And scheduling multiple pipelines. If you schedule a multiple pipeline, they can run parallelly, then it's violate the rule of sequential loadings. So that also not correct. So correct answer might be the A. So let's go to see. So let's select the correct answer. So out of four answers, this is the best suit answer, which is schedule a data pipeline that calls another data pipelines. And other three options are incorrect in this particular requirements. So this is our requirement.